The next set of questions we're going to do is for this diagram here. Some important thing to focus on this diagram. F is not a point. There's no dot with F, and F is a lowercase letter. G is not a point. It's for that line. It's lowercase. V is not a point. It's the name of the plane. There's no dot next to V. Okay. Name a pair of opposite rays. So this was probably the question most people got wrong. Opposite rays have to make a line together. They share the same initial point. So in this picture, QS and QR are opposite rays. When you name the rays, you have to use capital letters. So QS and QR. You don't put commas in between them. You have one bar on top. The bar is always pointing to the right when you make the notation, and you have to start with the initial point. Name line G in a different way. In this picture, this is line G. Okay, we're naming line G here with the lowercase letter. It's the letter off to the side. So the other way to name a line is to use two capital letters that are on the line that are points. These are the only 2 points that are on that line, so I have to use W and Q. When I use W and Q, I have to make sure that they're capital. I don't put a comma in between them, and since it's a line, I put arrowheads on both sides. If you didn't put arrowheads, or if you only put one arrowhead, it wasn't right. Number 6, name plane V in a different way. So plane V is this shaded plane here. To name plane V in a different way, you can use 3 points that are on the plane. Those 3 points cannot be in a straight line, so they can't be collinear. So F is not a point. F could not be in your answer. W is not on the plane, so W can't be in your answer. G is not a point, it can't be in your answer, and V can't be in your answer because V is not a point. So I need to use some combination of R, Q, S, and T that aren't in a straight line. So there's a lot of possibilities. I could have said RST, I could have said RQT, I could have said SQT, or these letters could be in a mixed order. Okay, I cannot say RQS because those are in a straight line. You don't put commas in between these points, and they have to be capital.